Assalamu alaikum dear students. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ayman from Beria Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to do practical number 1 on Microsoft Excel. So dear students, to do the practical, first of all we will have to concentrate at how to open Microsoft Excel. So dear students, the first condition for working on Microsoft Excel is that you will have to install Microsoft Office in your computer. After installation Microsoft Excel, you will press window key and this menu is appeared in front of you. You can carry out the Microsoft Excel by pressing the arrow keys. So after pressing arrow key, you will have to see that where your Microsoft Excel is present, and as you find Microsoft Excel, you will have to press enter key. After pressing enter key, Microsoft Excel is opened on the screen. Okay dear students, so this is the professional way to open Microsoft Excel by using the keyboard, and also you can also open Microsoft Excel on your computer by another way, that is you have to click on start menu and you will move the scroll wheel and click on the Excel. Okay dear students. Dear students, in this practical you will have to find out the average of the numbers. Okay dear students, but first of all, finding the average of the numbers, we will have to concentrate that in this sheet there are the lines which shows the letters of English alphabet, that are ABC to XYZ, and at another side, to the left side of the screen, there are the numbers. So we will have to concentrate that which type of lines are indicated by the numbers and which type of lines are indicated by the English alphabets. So dear students, you see that A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, the lines in which the English alphabets are displayed in this sheet, these lines are known as the columns, and the lines which are displayed in form of numbers in horizontal form starting from left side to the right side, these lines are known as the rows. So dear students, each entry or each cell, for example here there is A, so here column A, line row number 1. If you are going to carry cursor below, then you can say column A, row number 2. Okay dear students, so A, B, C are columns and 1, 2, 3 are known as the rows. In other form, you can say that the lines in vertical form are known as the columns, and lines in horizontal form displayed with numbers are known as rows. Okay dear students, now our practical is based on to find out the average of the entries in rows and columns. So dear students, if you are going to enter 23, 23, and in B 78, in C 99, in D 66. Okay, dear students, now our practical is to find the average of all the numbers that we have entered from A1 to D1. So, dear students, all the numbers, all the entries that we have entered in each cell, starting from 33 placed in A1, 78 in B1, 99 in C1 and 66 in D1. Now, dear students, to find out the average, we will have to click on the insert function that is displayed over the letters. So you can click on the insert function. As we will click on the insert function, a menu of containing the functions will display here, and we will have to select average from the menu and we will click on OK. Okay, dear students, in column E, the formula is displayed A1 to D1. It means that the average that we have selected, it will be found out from A1 to D1. So, dear students, from A to D1, the average will be 66.5. So, dear students, this is the formula to find out the average of all the entries that we have entered from A1 to D1. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, your practical based on Microsoft Excel is ended here, and your homework is to find out the average from A1 to D1 of these values. Okay, dear students. For example, in A, there is 34, in B 66, and in C 55. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, the entries or the numbers that I have entered: 34 in A1, 66 in B1, and 55 in C1 and 66 in D1. So, dear students, these are the entries in each column and row, and in column E, you will have to find out the average of all the numbers that have been entered from A1 to D1. Okay, dear students, this is your homework that you will have to find out the average of all these entries: 34, 66, 55, 66, and your lecture is ended here. We will come in coming of lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum, dear students.